Hey Trace, how are we all doing? I've just got the bigger monitor going, that's why I'm looking to the side here. I probably don't need to run the webcam, I don't know if it's distracting, but I just like to have it there as, a form of human interaction as well. So as you can see, the Aussie dollar is not doing too well. Now, okay, so I'm at around 2% full risk, and I took a little bit more than normal on the Aussie dollar as well. Because it was a pretty good setup. There was an element of discretion there. I can take 2% at once, so I thought it's about 1.5% or so on the Aussie dollar. If I'd taken 1.5% on the Aussie yen, and actually be going, both these trades would be going pretty well. I added to this position, as you can see. So we'll see how it goes. We've got stop loss down there, and I thought stop loss down here as well. So we don't actually have a lot at risk. What's that? It's pretty weak, really. It's like $34 or so, even though it's the same lots as the Aussie dollar. But the stop loss is a little bit tighter, so that's why. So that's how the Aussie dollar's going, guys. Pretty bullish. I was going to add even more, but I don't really like to do that on Friday. But that's how it is. It's a little counterintuitive because of the Aussie dollar, but that's just how it is. It was showing a bearish sign, and then as a trader, you want to adapt, but it's not advisable. Like for me, really, I've written this trade off, and if it does turn, it turns. But in my opinion, it's bullish, especially how it's over 77 cents. It is. It's 77,189, and the stop loss is, as you can see up there. So it's more than 80% there, which some could say close it out now, Scott. But it could turn. There could be news out tonight during New York with the company tax stuff. So we'll see. But I'm not going to cut this early. That's not how I back tested it. And if you're wondering, what backtesting, I might just actually show it in this video, because I know people might watch this who are into stock trading, and they might even accidentally watch this. But currencies, I got into the Forex first, and then I found stocks because I'm more of a long-term swing type trader. I don't know what's long-term. I don't hold a position for like months on end. Or the Aussie dollar's actually 5 weeks or so. When did I get into this? On the 15th. So that's 5 weeks. A little bit longer than 5. But I think the 15th was Thursday. So more than 5 weeks now. So I will. But typically it will end quicker than this. It's just very slow and stubborn, the Aussie dollar. I'm just letting up Forex tester now. So Forex tester 3.1.0, and I'll just bring it up. I haven't actually used it in a while. I might want an update, but I'll slide it across. See if it wants to update. Oh, no updates. And what it is, it's the charts, but you just speed things up. So if I go start test and I pause, that might have been a bit loud. I apologize. Then each spacebar represents like a 4-hour candlestick. So instead of waiting. Although with the stock trading it's 1 minute, so it's different, but it's good to familiarize yourself with price action. Even if you were a 1 minute trader, you could go down the 1 minute. This happens, so you've got to get the better data package for 1 minute, 5 minutes. So it's the same sort of thing, and then instead of waiting 5 minutes per candle, I just held it down, and it'll produce so many candles. So that's what that is. And if you're looking to purchase that, there's a Christmas special, and I think in Trade Talk I said 100. I think it is $100 off. It's at least 70, at least $70 off. So instead of $299, it's going to be like $230, $229, or $200, and that's a one-off thing. And I looked into stock stuff for backtesting, and it's it's not a one-off payment. So will it help stock trading? Well, things move. The stocks mostly do absolutely nothing, but the currencies don't really do that. If you see a weak thing, there's a lot going on, and there's a lot more patterns happening. So I mean, I'm not recommending you trade Forex if you're just into stocks, but it's good to be diversified a little bit. So I was talking to a gentleman, was it yesterday? And if he does watch all my videos, this is what backtesting is. So extremely valuable to my success as a Forex trader. I do make a lot of money off Forex, but it's not a lot. It's I've got a small account, and I make around 1 to 2% a month. This month actually will probably be a losing month with the Aussie dollar trade as well. If we see account history, yeah. So I'm not running away from that though. I'm very transparent, and that's the name of the game. Though sometimes you win some, you lose some. But anyway, I won't really talk about anything else. I've gone a little bit over time. But that was Forex Tester 3, and it is available in the link in my description section as well. Okay. Anyway, guys, I hope everyone has a great weekend. Good luck today or tonight, and happy trading. Bye for now.